So when it comes to hand wrapping, we've already looked at the 2 P's, protection and prevention. So how do we wrap somebody's hands? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the loop of the wrap and we're going to pop it over the client's thumb. From there, I'm going to wrap a couple of times around the wrist. I'm going to come up the back of the hand and wrap around the knuckles a couple of times. From there, I'm going to come down across the back of the hand, as you can see, to the base of the thumb. From there, I'll go from the base of the thumb in between the fingers and come back down across the back of the hand, again to the base of the thumb. I'll come back up in between the fingers, down across the back of the hand, again to the base of the thumb. Up between the fingers, come back down again to the base of the thumb. From there, I can go a couple of times again around the wrist, no problem at all. And I'll come up across the palm and go around the knuckles again a couple of times. From there, I'm going to come down across the back of the hand. As I turn the hand this time, I'm going to come up over the thumb. And I'm going to lock the thumb into place. From there, the wrapping is pretty much complete. So literally, I will go with the client as to whether they need a little more around the wrist or a little more around the knuckles. And I'll give them a little more around the wrist or whichever area I feel they need a little more support or protection in. From there, I wrap all the way around, finish with the Velcro in whichever position we need to. So facing up so that I can Velcro the wrap down.